agreed somewhere along the season, say Emmanuel Antwi at the end of the season in the contracts no on Monwe will be free Kotoko. Na nyoma twist kakraba many updates no Asia wa twist no and they say one say Sisi Abenoka say Asante Kotoko is going to have a new head coach. Na new head coach at Kotoko ebe have no. And no and must say the likelihood of Emmanuel Antwi staying and exhausting the full contract with Asante Kotoko no abe very high. Yes, we say Emmanuel Antwi joining Asante Kotoko in 2024. Yes, or signing under coach Prosper Ogum. One abetamo omienu nyina obeka say Great Olympics and omo free by in July 2024 no and I'll sign here. The contract of the Asante Kotoko sign was 3 years. It is a sign 3 years. What it means, they say the contracts with Kotoko bebe in 2027. 2027 season bebe and the contract with Asante Kotoko bebe Oba Kotoko no as a season especially this second season unhunu so sa Kotoko first season with Ogum utimi ball kakra be ka say eno na Kotoko eko America ni ade a moko experience those times ni nyina no samre no oye part no integral part of Asante Kotoko team no na Kotoko eko America Sudan fo no mienu no ekudwane no na oye part Kotoko players the visits omunya no na oye part nipa be 10 pe but na oye part na after that no you run the second season muna away the second season the obetima ka say off cry and the management say ya na ekọ dia lack of playing time na ekọ dia sa season we be which is 2026 season be we 1 year na aka no omo ne mpanyifo be party ways na bia obenye bia bono wako. However, the latest information I ever said the management now is a new coach or beba na omohwe na fit into the plans there. One have one season aka one anim no obe complete let us waboni full contract na wie. Over the past few years the players bit say Samuel Tenedu, players bit say Akwasi Sefamo omunyina no they couldn't play their full season with their full contract with Asante Kotoko. The likes of Joseph Ablo recently, Kotoko former captain Justice Blame Munyana no season intima mwanwie. But you hope say Emmanuel Antwi there coach Obeba no say the decision lies with coach Obeba. So coach Obeba no or assess Emmanuel Antwi no say Emmanuel Antwi fit into the style of play now. Likelihood is that Emmanuel Antwi obesa Kotoko next season. Let's just say we're on the contract.